diamonds on my neck. I like boarding jets, I like more than sex, but nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is money. I don't really need a D, I need the. All a bad bitch need is a. I got bands in the coop, bustin' out the roof. I got bands in the coop. Touch me, I'll shoot. Bow, shake a little ass. You get a little. I don't really want no friends, no. He tryna 69 like Takashi, call him Papi, worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say
hey dolls, welcome back to another video. Let's get to 15k subs, honey. We almost there. I am the wig plug. Wigs, bundles, closures, frontals, cundles, blundles, 360s, 460 frontals, everything you need. If you're looking for a hair plug, girl, just subscribe, girl. It's gonna be lit. For the ado, let's get on to this video and let's see how I slayed this wig. So here is the finishing look of this wig, honey. Let me put you on, girl. So this wig I bought with my own coins, okay? I will be reviewing my wigs that I make, and I'll be reviewing wigs that I bought myself. I'm trying to get the cheapest wig for you guys that still look good. So this wig I got from the beauty supply store. A human hair blend wig, girl. I know you was like, oh, is she virgin? Is she human? No, girl. She's human hair blend. This is the Freetress equal Valencia wig. Valencia. So the special thing about this wig is that she has 5 inches of parting. Like, I know y'all seen when I was customizing this wig, she has parting all the way down there. All the way down there. The parting just don't stop, honey. So yeah, the parting is amazing, guys. And let me tell you this before I get into any more. This wig was so easy to like put on. Like, so easy to put on. I'm not even fronting. It was literally so easy. As you've seen, it laid pretty flat when I just put the mousse. Curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. I was straightening this hair on 350 degrees just to be safe, but it took the heat pretty well. It did not burn, it did not steam up or anything. So I got this wig in the color 1, which is a nice jet black color. You gotta get into this hair texture, girl. The hair texture is like a nice light yaki. Like, this is the definition of a perfect light yaki hair texture. If you don't really know your hair textures, this is what a light yaki looks like, and it feels so real. It feels like Brazilian hair. It really feels like so good. This wig is about like a good 26, 28 inches. So on me, I'm 5'4.5", so it comes up to about here. Sorry guys, I'm not matching. Like, girl, where am I going really? It comes up to about here, you know, about to just touch my belly button. It do have some layers in it, so up here, so this is about like probably 18 inches. And then, you know, it has longer layers at the bottom. What I can say, I wish this wig was a little bit fuller. It doesn't look thin. Like, it doesn't look thin at all. Look at this. It's super duper full. You know, it is full and have body to it, but I just wish it would have more hair. But the hair density is giving me is really natural, and you know, it's not too much. You don't want a long wig that's just all thick and just doing too much, honey. We don't want that. But yeah, I just wish it would have been a little bit more fuller for my liking. But guys, don't be scared. This wig is not thin whatsoever. It just looked very natural. This is the hair density that's just very natural. It looks like a sew-in. This literally looks like a sew-in. It reminds me of when I used to get sew-ins. My hair used to be just like this. This wig is big head friendly. For all my Bratz dolls, this wig will fit your head. Being a Bratz doll is so hard. Like, I can't find a wig that would just fit my head, you know? Yeah, like, Anna, you didn't do any baby hairs? No, I didn't do any baby hairs because I really just like the sleek, long look without baby hairs. I mean, baby hairs make it look so much more better. Sometimes, it depends, but I feel like this wig don't need any baby hairs whatsoever. And this wig is like, it literally just have a part, so it's not a lace front whatsoever. You just have like this part and that's it. That's all the lace you get is this part. So doing baby hairs would kind of be more complicated anyways, dealing that this wig is not a lace front, and it would probably, I think doing baby hairs just make the wig look a little bit off. But like without the baby hairs, I'm loving it. Like, you don't need baby hairs all the time, and I was just trying to something different. Y'all know I love my baby hairs, but I gotta let them go for a minute. Look at this parting space, girl. Look at the parting. The parting is so natural. Like, the parting is so natural. And if you're a person that want to try long hair but you're scared, this is the perfect wig for you. Number one, it's not too much hair to where it's like, oh my god, I can't deal. No, it's long, but it's a nice decent length, and it has a nice decent density, so you know you won't have to be brushing and combing your hair all day. Like, the much more fuller a cheap wig is, the more it's going to tangle. So you won't have to worry about the hair tangling, because honestly, you don't really have like a whole bunch of hair. So this hair is like less likely to tangle. I am getting a little bit shedding. Actually, not much. You know, just the regular shedding that you just, you know, get when you run your fingers through your hair or you brush it. Like the perfect, easy to go wig, honey. I'm loving how easy this wig is to put on and go. I need a wig for me to put on and go. I need to go, honey. But yeah, this wig is super duper easy to put on. It is beginner friendly, so if you're not good at laying wigs down with the got to be glued and all that extra stuff, girl, get this wig. It's literally so easy. I see how I customize it, and girl, it is perfect. So Christmas time is coming up, girl. New Year's coming up. Go get you some inches. I'm the wig plug out here. I am the wig plug. Like, if you want some bomb affordable wigs for the low, subscribe to my channel, girl. You ain't even gotta search on Google cheap wigs under $10, cheap wigs under $20. You can just subscribe to my channel, girl, and I bring that content for you. Let's get to 15K subs before 2019. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. Did you hear me?